Trying to figure out AC here on a 2001 GM53 installed in a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Trying to retain the Jeep components here. Going to cut both high and low pressure lines right here. And then here's the GM compressor and lines. Going to cut somewhere in here on both lines and weld them to the Jeep lines. Okay, we got the low pressure line put together. It's Jeep line all the way to here. This is the piece I cut that hooked to the Jeep compressor. Then this piece is off of the GM compressor down here. Condensers in. Just need to bend the line so there's no contact. Got the AC system together. Still need to make some mounting brackets for the condenser. Need to weld all the lines up, but everything has been bent into place. Well, almost had the low pressure line done, and the hose overheated and caught fire. Started oozing out of that hole. Left that mess there. So I'm gonna retry it again. I got a spare line here. Gonna not get it so hot this time. Here's the high pressure line. About halfway done. Letting it cool down. Looking good. Okay, I've got the lines completed here. Here's the high pressure. Use an AC TIG, running at 80 amps. My filler rod was a little bit too large, but we made do. Here's the low pressure line. Okay, we got the lines all hooked up. Just pulled a vacuum on it for 30 minutes. Then turned it off and let it hold for 30 minutes. We're at about 27 inches of mercury. Here's our lines. Need to go to the junkyard and get some pigtails to plug in. So now we're going to start filling it up. It's freaking works. Air conditioning is working. Found some connectors for the GM compressor clutch. And I also found the Jeep low and high pressure sensor connectors. Time to wire it up. Okay, we're ready to do the wiring here. The Novak harness rework comes with 2 wires for the AC. You got a solid green and a green with a black stripe. Solid green goes to your switch, and the green with black is your power wire that is going to be run in series through the low pressure switch, high pressure switch, and then finally to the positive side of the AC compressor clutch. So to repeat that, solid green will go to your interior. You can run it to a secondary switch or tie it into your factory dash control. That will send 12 volts to the PCM when the AC is activated. And then PCM sends back 12 volts that goes through the pressure sensors to the positive side of the AC compressor clutch. Making some aluminum mounts for the condenser because the original mounts do not work with the deeper Novak fan. Now I can't get the header panel on because the condenser is out too far. So I took a chunk out. I need to cut a little bit more. I think it's gonna work. Okay, I just got the condenser mounted. The Novak radiator is a lot deeper than factory, so the condenser mounting brackets are not long enough to go from the condenser to the radiator mounting pin. So I made some custom mounts here, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, just with some scrap metal I had laying around. I had aluminum for the bottom, and then up top used a little bit of stainless steel. I've got it mounted as close as I can get it without touching, which is what I found to be the correct distance online.